proper calibrations are needed when one or multiple of the following conditions occur. For accurate calibration, prepare the car according to the following instructions. Turn the ignition on. Connect the VCI to the vehicle. Get access to ADAS system. The ADAS calibration system automatically identifies the VIN code to get the car model. Confirm the module information. Start the radar calibration. Adjust corner reflector LAC 05-03 to ensure that the center has the same height as the radar sensor. The distance between LAC 05-03 and radar sensor should be 3,000 millimeters. Adjust the ADAS position to make it parallel to the radar sensor. The LAC 05-03 center should be aligned with the radar sensor. Follow the instruction and continue the calibration. Toyota ACC calibration is successfully completed. Get access to front beam axis adjustment and read fault code. No fault codes. The radar calibration for Toyota is successfully completed.